Hi everyone, we thought it'd be really helpful if we made a quick video on how you can add a payment gateway to your collection. And Eren is here to show us exactly how to do it. So we're going to walk you through from start to finish so you can see every single step. And we'll also create a helpful guide that can take you through those steps as well. So you've got the video and you've got the guide. Right, Eren, are we ready? Let's go. Okay, so what do we do first of all?
You are in the collection and you want to set a paywall for this. So let's continue with the settings of this collection. And after that, you select the paid access. And you can select the payment processor. For this case, we are going with Stripe.
That's right. I've got Stripe already set up in a different tab, as I've used Stripe before, but people could also use Lemon Squeezy or Pabbly. So I'm going to go for Stripe, and you've put a helpful video in there as well for people to watch, but we're not going to watch that now. But the first thing we can see is that we need to create a payment link, don't we?
Yeah, let's continue with Stripe dashboard.
Let's go. Right. Okay. Here's my Stripe dashboard, and this is the new version. So it might look a little bit different to how you've got it in the video. So what do we do first? We create a product, don't we?
Yeah, we are starting with creating a product, and after that we create a payment link for that product.
Great. So my course is called Explore the World Behind the Coffee Bar. So I'm just going to copy that and put that into my product. Here we go. And the description is it's a course. There we go. You can upload an image here, and this image that you upload, that's the logo, isn't it, that appears on your checkout as well?
Yes.
So
exactly.
Okay, I'm going to click upload, and then I've already got something saved, so I'm just going to upload that, and that is a little logo which I use for my business. Okay, so I've got preset general electronically supplied goods, and for this course it's going to be a one-off payment, and I'm going to charge £9.99. Oh, £9.99. There we go. Include tax in price. I'm going to say no because I manage my tax payments myself. And then I'm going to click on I'm going to take that out actually. Yes, tax is included in the price. I'm going to click add product. There we go. Perfect. So here we have my logo, my product, and we're going to go in now to edit the product.
Yeah, we can now create a payment link.
So clicking on the product there, what do I need to do next?
There's a payment link on the sidebar. You can create a new payment link for your new product. Great.
So I click on here, payment links and new, and I select the product that we've just created. There we go.
And in the options, we can select the coupon, the advanced options in the. We can select the allow promotion codes.
And this is because we're going to also show people how they can create discount coupons. So say you want someone to be able to complete your course for free, you could give them 100% discount, but you could also do some little teasers. And if you're my friend, I'll give you 50% off. Okay, great. So
we can create the link right now.
And click create link. There we go. Perfect.
So let's copy our link and put that in the mini course generator dashboard.
So here's the payment link, click copy, and then go back into mini course generator, scroll down and paste your payment link in and click continue.
Yes. So right now we need to add a success URL. It's the page that where learners make the purchase. They see that page. We need to set this to track learners if they make the purchase or not.
Great. So we need to copy to clipboard and then go back into Stripe.
Yes.
Great. I'm here in Stripe again.
Yeah. From the three dots icon button, you need to put this link on the after payment section. Yes, here.
There we go.
Click edit.
Edit.
And there is after payment tab here. And don't show confirmation page. We need to select that option.
And then paste our link in.
Yes. And update the link.
Update link. Excellent.
Yeah. This step is done too.
Great. So we can go back into mini course generator and click continue.
Yeah, we have one more step. Adding webhooks. No, you need to copy the link and now we add webhooks.
Webhooks. So the third step. So the first was to have the link, payment link, then the success link, and now we need the webhook link.
Yes.
Great. So I've copied that to the clipboard and back over in Stripe. Where do we go here?
Yeah, there is a developers tab on the left bottom.
Great. So it's quite difficult to find, isn't it? It's not quite obvious, but we need to go to this one which says developers. And do we need to do this for every new product, Eren?
No, we don't need to do it. Adding webhook once, it will be work on all your collections. So you need to just create a new payment link, but the webhook is only done once.
Great. So if I go into developers, then I'm now into developers and then I go to webhooks.
Right.
Great.
So here we need to add a destination.
Add destination.
Now we need to select some events for tracking.
Okay.
On the checkout, we select all the 4 events.
So we scroll down and these are helpfully in alphabetical order. So we need to select all checkout events. Great.
Correct. And on the customer section, we need to select 2 more events too.
Yeah.
The first one is customer subscription deleted. And the second one is customer subscription updated.
So just deleted and updated, just those.
Yeah, that's enough.
And click continue.
Yes, we can continue again.
Continue again.
And in the endpoint URL, we need to paste our link that we copied on the mini course generator, and we can create destination.
There we go.
Yeah. Everything is done now.
It's as easy as that.
Yeah.
Amazing. So now I go back over to mini course generator and click continue, and we now have got this screen.
Yeah, this helps us to understand what is your price, and we show that on your landing page, on your login screen, and do places like that.
So we chose $9.99 and we have that in GBP because I am in the UK and the billing period was one time only.
Yes.
And then click save. Brilliant. Perfect. Nice work. That's all done. But Eren, now, of course, I want to create a coupon for people so that I can give them some little kind of gifts.
Also, with that way, you can test if your paywall is working or not.
Oh, great. Well, let's have a look then. So if I go back to my landing page, you can see that the settings, I've chosen paid access. And here's my landing page. I'm just going to open this in a new tab. And here is the course. And if I go to click on the course, you can see I've got my landing page for module 1, resume course, and I'm already logged in.
Yeah, you need to log out and we
great.
have it that way.
Okay, so if I go back to the top, you can see here, that's me. And if I click this and I log out, oh, there we go. What I could also do from this, I guess, is that I could test this in an incognito window, couldn't I, as well?
Yeah.
That's a really helpful tip. So I'm going to see this. You can see, it's working. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So now I can either log in or I can sign up and pay. Brilliant.
Yeah, if the learners are not paid yet, they still go to checkout screen if they select the login.
Okay, so I'm just going to go and use a dummy email address and say I agree to receive this content from the owner, receipt to payment. And here's my payment gateway, and I can use a link, play with Klarna, Google Pay, and I can also add this promotion code. So let's hop back into Stripe and create a promotion code.
Yes.
Here we go. Right, so we'll come out of the workbench and go back to the top level. Where do I go from here, Eren?
Yeah, you can click the product catalog on the sidebar.
Here
and
we go.
You see there's a coupons tab.
Coupons.
So here we can create a new coupon for our product.
Great. And I'm going to call this barista giveaway. There we go.
Yes.
And I want to have 100% off. There we go. And do I need to click this, apply to specific products?
Yeah, it depends on your use case. We can select it or we can leave it like that.
There we go. So I've got that to my product. I want people to use it once. Is that right? So that's just one.
Yeah, you can also change that like unlimited. And
okay.
Now we need to turn on the customer facing coupon codes toggle.
Excellent. And is this where I create my code?
Yes.
Right. Well, we are going to have barista 100, all one word.
Yeah.
And do I just say first time orders or link to a specific customer?
Yeah. It's again depends on your use case. You can select or not.
Okay, great. And click create coupon.
Perfect.
There we go. I've now got my barista giveaway, which is 100% off. Should we see if it works?
Let's try.
Let's try. Okay, so I am now going to go back to my course, which is it's not that one. It is barista. Think visual. Here we go. So now I've got my course open. And I'm going to click on module here, start course, and I've got my login screen. So I'm going to put my name in. There we go. My email address, which is a dummy email address. Okay, agree to receive content from the owner, proceed to payment. And now I can add in my code barista 100 and apply, and it zeroed it. That's amazing. Yes. Eren, you're so clever.
Yeah, now you are able to access the course.
And what's nice about this is that you do in a second get this lovely screen, green tick there, and yes, you've successfully ordered. What a really nice way to incentivize your customers as well. But if we go back to my course, Eren, I don't have that nice promo header on it. Shall we see if we can set the price on the course just to show how it will look?
Let's try that.
Let's get that. So here's my course now, and we're going to change our heading page so it looks like this one. This is one that we created earlier, which is vibe coding, and I've got the $9.99. I've got the little header there. I've got some nice information, and this is exactly the same. Click get started, and it takes you to the nice payment screen. So let's have a go at creating that in my barista course. So we're going to go to edit landing page and edit the header, and we're going to choose the nice promo. There we go. And we're going to go to card settings, and at the moment there's just a kind of bland image. We'll take that away, and I've already uploaded one ready. There we go. So we're going to choose that one, and we've got these nice features here as well. Feature 1, feature 2, feature 3, feature 4. I'm going to click the save button, and there we have it.
Yeah. Also, you need to open the show price tag.
Oh,
from
right.
the header settings.
So if I go back to, I'll save those changes, and I'll go back to edit landing page and edit header. And if I scroll down, I need to show the price tag. There we go.
Yes, perfect.
This is the nice thing as well. You can change that get started. So I can say, let's brew. There we go. Oh, let's brew. There we go. And click save. And there we have the price on that. So now I'm going to click save changes. And I'll probably just change my logo. I think the logo looks wrong there, but I can go in and do that.
Yeah.
That's done. And that's as hard as it gets.
We can also check the learner step if the dummy learner is in there.
Great idea. So if I now go to learners, here we go. We've got all of my muck around email addresses. There's no real email addresses there, so we're not breaking any confidences there, but we've got it all set up ready. So that concludes our video, Eren. How simple was that? And if anybody has any problems, they can get in touch with you, can't they?
Yeah, they can get in touch with me from support@minicoursegenerator.com.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for all your help, and we hope that this has been helpful for you as well. And if you're watching, do leave us a comment below if you've got any feedback, and thanks again. So we'll see you on the next video. Thank you.